Hey there, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Ifengro EF81 folding pocket knife. Some people also call this company Effengro, so Effengro, Ifengro. They are a Chinese company that make a wide variety of folding pocket knives and some fixed blade pocket knives. And this EF81 is a nice example of their work. This is a tactical type military design of a dagger style spear point blade that is made out of D2 blade material, and it has a G10 handle material. It's a nice piece, larger in size, ceramic bearings that allow it to open very smoothly. Comes in at a budget price around the $20–$25 price range. It is a little larger in size, and that it is 8.29 inches overall length with a blade length of 3.54 inches, so a little over 3.5 inches. The close length is 4.56 inches, so around 4.5 inches. And the blade is a spear point blade that is sharpened only on the bottom side, not on the top side. Has a stone wash finish with a plain edge and a flipper tab opening with dual flipper tab like protection for your hand so it doesn't slip forward when piercing with the blade. With this tactical military type dagger style spear point blade. The G10 handle material is lightly textured, so it feels nice in my large to extra large hand. Also has nice sculpturing on the front side and the back side. Ifengro has put some different designed pivot head screws on this model that work in conjunction with the ceramic ball bearings pivot, which makes for very smooth opening. Has a stainless steel liner that has not been skeletonized, which leads to a little heft in the knife. Not bad, 5.11, but makes the knife feel very solid. Has a nice stainless steel liner lock that locks up very nice on the blade. There is a finger choil in the handle, and the liner is raised in that area so you can catch it with your thumb when closing the piece. Has a decent detent. Say on the scale of 0 to 10, it would be around a 5.5. I don't think you're going to false open it. The blade width is 0.137. It's a meaty little piece, this tactical military spear point dagger design. Comes very sharp, cuts very well. Give you a little paper test here. So there we go. If you're looking for a budget-priced, tactical, military-style dagger design, this Ifengro EF81 just might fit your ticket. All right, everyone. Well, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Okay, bye now.